感谢精彩的表演，接下来为大家带来的是三探玉妹赠笔。将军之女刘金定因为平寇有功，被封为玉妹；尚书公子封家晋因为仰慕女英雄之名，侨办乡民张小二伺机窥探玉妹，谎称因为母亲生病求神而来。玉妹将她放走后，自己却坠入情网，染上相思。赠笔一折说的就是封家晋3见玉妹时，在玉妹的盘问下，终于道出真名实姓，一图钟情。玉妹遂以双联笔相赠，世结白首。
Now we bring you 3 times meetup, the giving pens, the general daughter Liu Jingding for her meritorious service in suppressing bandits is titled The Princess. Young scholar Fin Jiajing, the son of the Minister of War, admires her and disguises himself as the commoner Zhao Xiao'er to secretly observe her, claiming to be there to pray for his sick mother. The princess releases him but finds herself smitten. Later, Sven reveals his true identity to the princess, confessing his feelings. Touched by his sincerity, the princess gives him a pair of connected pens, sealing their love.
由刘一萌扮演刘金定，王红英扮演封家晋，魏芳扮演巧莲。王红英情有独钟，主攻范派，字正腔圆，表演淳朴自然，颇具范派的风采。刘一萌主攻吕派，她的小腔和尾音婉转动听，难得的吕派花旦，请欣赏。
Liu Yiming plays Liu, Annie Wang plays Fin, and Wei Fang plays Xiao Lan. Annie Wang, specializing in the Fan school, exhibits a graceful and natural style, capturing the essence of the Fan school. Liu Yimin excels in the Lu school, delivering a captivating performance with melodious singing and nuanced vocal techniques. Enjoy the performance.